Let's unpack this. Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're looking into the latest feature enhancements and updates for the BD Lab platform. Our sources are excerpts from BD Lab, feature enhancements and updates, and really our mission here is to figure out what these changes mean for you, especially if you're building or managing an online presence.
Exactly. And, understanding these updates, it's kind of a shortcut, right, to staying informed about how these powerful online tools are evolving. We want to show you how these aren't just small tweaks, but actually strategic moves.
Absolutely. So let's kick things off with something maybe easily overlooked. Usability. BD Lab has a new design for the admin login page. They're saying it's a cleaner, nicer UI. Is this just window dressing, or do visual updates like this actually matter day to day?
Oh, it's much more than just aesthetics. It really is. What's fascinating here is how fundamental these UI changes can be, even if they seem minor. A cleaner interface, well, it reduces cognitive load. Basically, less mental clutter. This helps admins work faster, smoother, less friction in daily tasks, means, more time for strategy, less time fighting the system.
Right, less frustration, maybe more coffee breaks. Okay, moving on to getting noticed. Discoverability. There's new default schema available now specifically for jobs, events, and videos.
Mhm.
What's the real impact there? How does that help content get found?
Yeah, this ties directly into the big picture of SEO, online visibility. Structured data, like schema, it's essentially giving search engines like Google a clearer map of your content. You're explicitly saying, hey, this bit here, that's a job posting, or this is an event. It seriously boosts the chance of your content showing up prominently, maybe even in those special featured snippets. So it's not just getting found, it's standing out. Could mean way more qualified traffic.
That does sound like a significant boost. And speaking of reaching more people, languages, they've added 10 new ones. The platform now supports what, total 40 plus Kala, covers 95% of use cases? That seems like a lot.
It is, and this raises an important point about true global reach. Covering 95% of use cases suggests you're hitting the vast majority of common online interactions globally. Having that broad language support isn't just a nice to have. It's pretty essential for tapping into new markets effectively. It means your platform can genuinely connect with users from, well, all over in their own language. That unlocks huge potential audiences.
Incredible reach. Okay, let's pivot to the nitty-gritty. Data management. Always fun, right? There are updates here. Import members now validates website URL format during imports. And for business records, deleted listings can be re-imported free and recategorized correctly. What's the practical benefit?
For anyone who's ever wrestled with a messy CSV file, and believe me, I have, these are lifesavers. Validating URLs upfront during import, that catches errors before they mess up your data. Think broken links, bad entries. It preserves data integrity. And re-importing deleted listings easily. That saves time and avoids headaches if something was removed by mistake or needs updating. Data hygiene, basically.
Makes sense. Cleaning things up. Now this sounds interesting. Content presentation and SEO control. Album photos, API import now lets you add optional titles and descriptions for each image. And the web page builder shows Google search snippet previews. How does that give users more power?
Right, these give you much more direct control over how your stuff appears, both on your site and in Google search results. Adding titles and descriptions to images, that's great for image SEO, making each picture work harder for you. And seeing that Google snippet preview while you're building the page, that's gold. You can tweak your titles and descriptions right there to maximize clicks from search results. You're crafting that first impression.
Really dialing it in. Okay, finally, let's look at direct revenue and lead generation tools. Manage Offers allows earning extra revenue with affiliate offers. And soon, WP Forms will sync WP Forms submissions to create members or leads.
Yeah, these are clear, business-focused updates. The platform is definitely leaning into helping users monetize and grow. Affiliate offers integrated, that's a potential new revenue stream right there, and syncing form submissions directly into your member or lead database. That streamlines lead capture immensely, turning interest into actual contacts automatically. So if we sort of connect all these dots, the UI tweaks, the SEO boost, the global reach, the data tools, the monetization, it really shows a consistent push towards giving users more control, more power, and more direct ways to build their business on the platform.
So boiling it down for everyone listening, what does this all mean for you? Essentially, these BD Lab updates offer more control, a wider reach, and new ways to make money and capture leads directly through the platform.
Exactly. And maybe a final thought to leave you with. Think about how these updates, piece by piece, aren't just technical fixes. They're strategic moves. They're designed to empower you to do significantly more with your online presence. It's about raising the bar, really, for what these platforms can help you achieve, building a stronger digital engine for your goals.
Well said. Definitely worth exploring these updates for yourself. Thank you for diving deep with us today.